Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a zip file on Mac. So using this way we will be able to compress files and folder on Mac. So let's start. Over here I've prepared two different files and a folder with some files inside. So to compress the files we need to select them. To do that we left click our mouse somewhere on the left side of the files and then drag this over the files to select them. Or we can hold Command key and then click on the files that we want to select and compress. So once we select the files we want, we right click on one of the files and then choose Compress to Items. And as you can see, as soon as I've hit Compress, archive.zip file was created and there are our files zipped inside. So when we want to compress our folder, we need to follow the same instructions. So we right click on the folder, we choose Compress Folder, and as soon as we do this, folder.zip is created, so our files are already zipped. So that's it for today. Remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.